If you're experiencing harsh shifting, shuddering, or delayed engagement in your 2017-2018 Honda Pilot, you're likely encountering a well-documented transmission problem. The issue stems from Honda's 9-speed automatic transmission system, specifically the ZF9HP48 unit. This complex transmission has multiple internal components that can fail. There are four primary causes of these transmission problems. First, software calibration issues in the transmission control module. Second, torque converter problems causing lock-up clutch failure. Third, valve body defects that cause improper hydraulic pressure regulation. And fourth, insufficient heat management leading to transmission fluid breakdown. When these problems occur, you may see specific error codes on your diagnostic scanner. The most common codes are P0741, P0746, P0962, and P2769. The financial impact is significant. Transmission replacements can cost between $4,000 and $7,000. Studies show that 42% of 2017 pilots experienced transmission issues by 50,000 miles. If you are experiencing these transmission issues in your 2017 or 2018 Honda Pilot, there are warranty options and potential solutions available that we'll cover next. Honda has acknowledged the transmission issues in 2017 and 2018 pilots and has implemented several warranty extensions and solutions to help affected owners. As of 2024 and 2025, Honda has extended the powertrain warranty to cover transmission problems up to 100,000 miles, or 8 years, from the original purchase date. They also offer goodwill repairs on a case-by-case basis for vehicles that are out of warranty. Honda dealerships provide free software updates, including PCM and TCM reflashing, to address some of the transmission control issues. If warranty repairs fail to resolve the problem, owners have legal remedies available. Lemon law claims can be pursued if multiple repair attempts have failed or if the vehicle has been out of service for extended periods. Class action lawsuits are also available, with Honda having already paid an estimated $180 million in transmission-related warranty claims. Owners should take several proactive steps to protect themselves. Document all symptoms and repair attempts, maintain detailed service records, and monitor transmission fluid condition every 15,000 miles. Ensure all software updates are current, consider purchasing extended warranty coverage while still available, and if problems persist, trading the vehicle before the warranty expires may be the most practical solution. Keep in mind that third-party extended warranties typically cost between $1,500 and $3,000, while transmission replacement can cost $4,000 to $7,000, making prevention and early action crucial. The key is to act quickly when transmission problems arise. Document everything, explore all available remedies, and don't wait until the warranty expires to seek solutions.